Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as give this video a like at the end. And feel free to give me any comments or questions that you may have, as well as don't forget to hit that notification bell, as I do want to alert you as soon as we have a new video coming up. So what is up, my Supreme community? I'm so sorry I have been MIA. It's just these past few weeks with Supreme, I just didn't want to waste your time, and I didn't want to waste my time in making videos because I wasn't fully in love with each week. But stores are now open. Supreme is hyped back up. We had an insane Supreme Week 18. And as you can see, I have already copped one of the tees, which was highly anticipated. I'm in love with this light purple colorway so that you guys can see it there, see that in person. Also, something I'm doing different with this video today is I'm gonna go through all of my cops as well as some prior weeks that you guys missed me. I know I haven't been doing my live cops, but I was able to cop a few items in past weeks, so we're going to go through those items. But I'm also going to go through all of the tees that I was able to get today, as well as a pair of shorts. Definitely a good day for Supreme for me. And I'm so happy to be back with you guys. I've missed you all. So let's get to it. I'm actually going to show you some video footage of me wearing each of these t-shirts. Going to do a bit of a little styling haul for you so you can get a closer, better detailed look as to how these shirts look on me personally. The first pick that I wanted actually was the Anno Domini tee in light purple. And this t-shirt is exactly what I thought it was going to look like color-wise. I think maybe I thought it was going to be a little bit more of a pinky purple, but it's more of a purple grape, and I really, really like it. It's very subtle. It's not too wham bam in your face. But yeah, this was a great cop for me. Next up, I actually got another color in this tee, but I got it in this heather gray. Yes. And the thing I love about the Anno Domini tee is dates on here. And basically, you know, it's got the spring, summer 2020, and it was established in 1994. I really love the text going on with this shirt. And of course, you just can't go wrong with a gray t-shirt. Sometimes I get nervous getting colors, but you know, this time around I was able to cop a color and get more of a basic color in the Anno Domini tee. Okay, next up, we got this 3D lizard tee in white. And I definitely want you guys to see this on me because it has to look so cool visually to you on camera. It's got that cool 3D effect. I really love the text going on here with the grass and just the added lizard with, you know, just we've got a little watering can here for the plants. It's super cute. And I was able to get that just a basic color. I wanted to go with white because I felt like the green was really going to pop on top of that. So you guys can definitely get a better look visually on that shirt. And then I went with another basic color just in case. I got it in the black as well. And this is, you know, just a different kind of look. Definitely can see that Supreme popping in the grass form, which I like. And you can definitely see that lizard pretty well. And then last but not least, I got the Motion logo t-shirt in the white with the red text. We've definitely seen this Motion logo do very well on the hoodies, so I was very excited to see it come out in a t-shirt because hello, it's summer and it is so hot. I'm frying outside in New York City right now. Don't know where all of you are located, but I definitely don't want to be rocking a Motion logo hoodie because it's too toasty for that. So I'm super excited that I was able to cop a t-shirt so that I can rock this instead of a hoodie. But definitely just like the sweatshirts that we saw, but in t-shirt form, as well as we saw this on some boards. That is just a killer logo. So I'm excited that I was able to cop that in the white and red. And then last but not least, got some of the swim shorts in the red. I think it's actually going to pair quite well with that Motion logo Supreme. Like, let me see if I can hold these up for you guys so you can see both. Ugh. Can't do it. But anyways, definitely a great combo there. I was able to cop those shorts in the red. I was hoping to get them either in the red, the gray, or the black, and got it in one of my colorways. So I'm happy about that. And that was for week 18, guys. Sorry you missed me. I once again apologize for being gone for so long, but here I am back ready to go, giving you as much Supreme intel and information as I can. So the other week I was able to get these lovely Supreme Ziploc bags. I'm going to be utilizing every single one of these bags because, my God, this is the most I've ever paid for Ziplocs. And I'm trying to get savvy with how I'm going to use these, but definitely stoked that I was able to win these. And prior to that, I was able to get a Zippo lighter. This was actually a very exciting win for me because I love Zippo lighters. You can see that up close. Pretty exciting. But yeah, today was a great day and I got some great shoe cops too. So stay tuned, guys, for my next unboxings. We have a big one next week. I don't even want to tell you right now because it's such a good secret. But next week, when I have them in hand, I will let you guys know on my next video. But I don't have them with me right now, so I don't want to jinx myself. Don't need any bad juju. Now I'm just going to kind of go through some other items and how basically they did today on the drop. Trying to see, you know, the time frame of how quickly these flew. So let's go to the US. Let me pull this up real quick. All right, so it looks like the Motion logo tee in a small in the purple color went in 5 seconds. And then followed by the red, the yellow, and the white. So Motion logo tees were the winner, and I was able to luckily cop one of those. Definitely wasn't the number one colorway, but hey, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with this white and red tee. Let's look at what tees went next. It looks like all the Motion logo. Wow, shocking. The marble tee actually followed after the Motion logo tees in the small. That went next. Then the clay. I actually thought that was going to do probably one of the worst t-shirts, I thought, but I guess not in this case. Then let's see which t-shirts sold out after that. We've got the Anno Domini tee, this colorway that I got, and the lizard tee in light purple. Those went quick after the Motion logo tees went in about 14 and 15 seconds. And then, wow, this was just a tee day. I don't even know. I'm like trying to find another item outside of the tees that went quick. I think the next item that wasn't a t-shirt that went the fastest was the mesh panel shorts in that gray color in a small, and that was 46.5 seconds. So definitely the day for you guys to have jumped on copping any item but a t-shirt. It looks like you had a little bit of extra time to be able to cop those items. I'm wondering how fast that. I was thinking about the umbrella. I really was. But then I remember an umbrella that I had seen previously that was made pretty cheaply. And for the price point over $50, I don't know, like New York has pretty windy, rainy days. But like that's just going to snap off. So decided to just save that cash and put it away for another Supreme launch. All right. Well, that is pretty much some of the items I wanted to go through that sold pretty quick in the US. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I know it's been a long time, but I'm hoping to keep you posted on next week's Supreme drops, as well as keeping up with my live cops. And now that the stores are opening, you bet I am out there shopping. So thanks for tuning into my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Actually, before I go, I need to mention one more thing. I need the box to come over here though, because this is this pretty exciting box I want to show you guys. All right, so let's open my Suplex Summer Essentials box. I want to show you guys what Suplex sent me. This is so exciting. Thank you so much, Suplex. I love you guys so much. They even created this lovely letter for me. I've got some of these K95 masks. Oh my God, I've needed these. This is the real deal, guys. You want to stay safe, you want to stay healthy, these are the best masks to have. And they hooked me up with 5 of those. I'm trying to reach around. Oh, hey, look, just in time for 4th of July, right? Good to have that. Then we've got some hand sanitizer. They're keeping me healthy, keeping me clean over here. Oh yes, bringing me back to my childhood. Oh, yo. And then it looks like we've got some lemonade here. Yummy. Gotta stay hydrated, right? Gotta keep it hydrated. Oh, and just to add to my collection of Supreme cookies, can't have too many of these. And then, ooh, sneaker wipes. Oh my God, I am in heaven. Let me tell you something. I step in so much crap in the city. I don't know if things are just attracted to me, but I'm excited to be able to carry these in my purse and clean up my shoes. And then we got some lighters to add to my lighter collection now. That's pretty exciting. And what is this? We've got a coin here, a little coin. It's a quarter. Yeah. Pretty exciting. Thank you, Suplex. This was such an incredible gift. You guys didn't have to do this, but I am so appreciative of this. So if you guys do not know what Suplex is, you need to download that app ASAP. So when I am looking to find price points on shoes and seeing what people are actually bidding for, I can actually use their app, which aggregates 4 different platforms into one. So you've got GOAT, you have StockX, and then we've got 2 stores. So all of those all in one. We have Stadium Goods, Flight Club, and they are all together put into one place on the Suplex app. And you don't have to go to 4 different areas to try and find the price points for the sneakers that you're looking to either sell or purchase. It's such an insanely great idea. I don't know what I would honestly do without that app. And, it just makes my life easier. So definitely download their app. Once again, I want to relay a message because we talk about Supreme a lot. They've just added Supreme to their app. So it's just unfortunately for StockX currently, but still you're able to look at price points on Supreme items if you're trying to resell them. So definitely check out their app. Suplex is their name. Get it, and it's going to make your life easier. So now on that end note, thanks again for tuning into my channel, ShadeTV. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like at the end. Let me know what you guys caught this week. I want to hear about it. And let me know what was your favorite item as well, even if you didn't cop it. And don't forget, hit that notification bell because I want to alert you as soon as we have new videos. So until next time, we'll see you then.